Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, which is the emotional guidance system. Have you ever wondered why some things always happen to you, while others always pass you by? Have you ever been confused as to why you've worked hard, but still haven't gotten the results you want? Actually, all of this is closely related to your inner emotional guidance system. It's like a powerful magnet that attracts people and things that are in tune with your emotional vibration. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the emotional guidance system and learn how to use it to attract the life you want.
The law of attraction tells us that what you focus on, what you think about, will be attracted into your life. When your attention is focused on what you want, and it's accompanied by positive emotions, you'll attract more experiences that align with it.
Conversely, negative emotions will hinder your dreams from coming true. If you're always worried, scared, angry, you'll attract more negative experiences that align with it. So how do you use the emotional guidance system to attract the life you want?
First, you need to know clearly what you want. Second, focus your attention on what you want. Third, feel the joy and happiness that comes with having it, and imagine that you already have it. Finally, believe that it will happen, and take action to make your dreams come true.
Communication with your inner being, the signals of emotion.
Your inner being, your formless self, communicates with you through emotions. Happy emotions mean you're on the right track towards your goals, while negative emotions mean you've strayed from the path.
When you're unhappy, don't ignore those emotions, but listen to them carefully. They're telling you that you need to change direction.
Disappointment is a signal from your inner being, indicating that what you're focusing on is not what your heart desires.
Don't be afraid of disappointment. It's just reminding you that you need to readjust your direction.
Changing your thinking habits is key. Every time you find yourself experiencing negative emotions, carefully shift your thoughts to what you want to experience. Gradually, you'll change your thinking habits related to these things. When your beliefs and desires conflict, you need to build a bridge of belief, guiding your beliefs in a direction that aligns with your desires. You can build a bridge of belief by acknowledging past experiences, expressing desires, challenging negative thoughts, emphasizing positive experiences, changing beliefs, expecting positive outcomes, imagining positive outcomes, emphasizing control, emphasizing the power of thought, emphasizing the power of the law of attraction, deciding on positive outcomes, rejecting negative experiences, affirming positive experiences, affirming life changes, etc.
Please refer to the video in the upper right corner for a detailed explanation of how to build a bridge of belief. How do you know what you truly want?
Life experiences will help you figure out what you want. Feel your emotions about the experiences you don't want. If you can keenly perceive what you don't want, you'll be clearer about what you do want. The universe will respond to the thoughts in your heart. Your thoughts will attract experiences that align with them.
When you feel from your emotions that your thoughts, words, actions, and what you want are aligned, you'll attract more of what you want.
How to help those who suffer? Maintain joy. You can't create other people's experiences, but what you can do is set an example of joy, letting your thoughts, words, and actions be connected to joy.
When you maintain joy, your positive energy will infect those around you and help them find their own happiness.
Follow the purpose of others. Let their desires be fulfilled, even if it's something they don't want.
When you can follow the purpose of others, you understand that when you see what they're doing, you won't have negative emotions.
Find the thoughts that make you happy, and guide your thoughts with your heart towards a direction that feels increasingly better.
When you find thoughts that make you happy, you'll reconnect with a formless perspective. You'll happily find your life's purpose, your passion for life and yourself.
Your inner being, your formless self, knows your purpose and continues to provide information to help you achieve the greatest joy.
Don't rely on the opinions of others. Trust your intuition and inner wisdom.
The practice of creating with your heart includes paying attention to your feelings, avoiding negative thoughts, focusing on what you want, maintaining a balance of desire and following.
Finally, you'll attract more of the life experiences you want. Hopefully today's sharing will help you better understand the emotional guidance system and learn how to use it to attract the life you want. Remember, you have the power to attract the life you want, as long as you believe you can do it. Want to learn more in-depth knowledge of the law of attraction, self-improvement, spiritual growth, practical techniques and exercises? Subscribe and turn on the bell. Don't miss our new video and challenges. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are interested in unlocking their manifestation abilities. Stay positive, keep believing, and manifest your dreams into reality. Until next time, take care.